Hello, welcome to the new video on learning statistics. I am Namdev Madhure. Today we are going to see how to obtain cumulative frequencies and how to plot a Q curve. There are two types of cumulative frequencies: less than cumulative frequencies and more than cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequencies are the progressive totals of frequencies which are obtained from lowest class to highest class, and more than cumulative frequencies are the progressive total of frequencies which are obtained from highest class to the lowest class. Now to obtain LCF, put the frequency of first class as it is in front of that class. Now to obtain LCF of second class, add the frequency of second class to the LCF of first class. So this gives LCF of second class. Now drag this up to last class. So these are the LCF for the given frequency distribution. Now we observe that LCF are increasing in nature, and LCF gives number of observations less than or equal to upper limit of a class. For example, 24 indicates that there are 24 observations which are less than or equal to 210. Now we'll see how to obtain more than cumulative frequencies. To obtain more than cumulative frequencies, keep the frequency of last class as it is in front of the last class. To obtain MCF of second last class, add frequency of second last class to the MCF of last class. So 7 is the MCF of second last class. Drag this up to first class. So here we observe that MCF are decreasing in nature, and they gives number of observations more than or equal to lower limit of the corresponding class. So this 37 indicates that there are 37 observations which are greater than or equal to 190, lower limit of this class. Now we will see how to plot less than cumulative frequency curve and more than cumulative frequency curve. Now LCF curve is obtained by plotting less than cumulative frequencies against upper limit of the class. Now upper limit of first class is 190, second class upper limit is 200, and I will drag this. So these are the upper limits of the class. Now to touch the LCF curve to x-axis, we are considering one more class previous to the first class, 170 to 180. Its upper limit is 180 with 0 frequency, and its LCF is 0. So it means that LCF curve starts at lower limit of the first class. This is the lower limit of the first class. Now to plot LCF curve, go to insert, select line chart, and go to select data. Here data range is the range of less than cumulative frequencies. So I have selected less than cumulative frequency range, and in horizontal axis labels, by default we are getting 1 2 3 4 labels. Here we want upper limits. Edit this and select the range of upper class limits. Press OK. The resulting graph is less than cumulative frequency curve. So we give title. Chart title is LCF curve. On x-axis we have considered upper class limit UCL, and on y-axis we have considered LCF, less than cumulative frequencies. So this is the less than cumulative frequency curve. Now the graph of MCF curve is obtained by plotting more than cumulative frequencies against lower class limit of a class. Now lower class limit of first class is 180, second class is 190. Drag this up to last class. Now this class will not touch to x-axis. To touch this to x-axis, we consider one more class with lower limit 240, that is 240 to 250, with 0 frequency and its MCF 0. And we plot MCF curve by considering MCF on y-axis and LCL on x-axis. So go to insert, select line chart, then go to select data. Here select the range of select the range of more than cumulative frequencies, and in horizontal axis level select range of lower class limit. Press OK. The resulting graph is MCF curve. Now give title, go to layout, chart title. The graph is MCF curve. Now axis label, horizontal axis we have considered LCL, that is lower class limit, and on y-axis we have considered more than cumulative frequencies. So this is all about how to plot LCF curve and MCF curve, how to calculate LCF and MCF. Thank you for watching the video. Like and share the video, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get further notification. In the description box the links to earlier video is given. Thank you for watching the video.